So my name's Martha, I work for Junction Arts and my role is project assistant. So the apprenticeship that I'm doing is level 3 team leader supervisor, and that's given me the skills to look at project coordination and management of people, which feeds into my role as project assistant. So by doing this apprenticeship with Junction Arts, it will enable me to hopefully take on a management role in the third sector, which is what I want to do, which will enable me to support people in my local community, which is a dream really. By being an apprentice, I've been able to learn on the job. I've not acquired any debt from going to university, and it's been great networking opportunities. The advice I would give to someone who wants to take on an apprenticeship is, if there isn't an apprenticeship available in your preferred role, find a company you think you might want to work for and go and ask if that's something they'd be interested in, because they might say yes.